morning. Are you waiting for my class? Okay, thank you for your love. Today we are going to learn a common topic that is from 1st class to 6th class, that is place values. Let us learn from the basic of place values, and also we will see how the numbers will be representing on the abacus. Okay, we will learn the place values as well as we will learn how to represent the numbers on the abacus. Shall we learn them? Let us start now. To teach you this concept, I have brought some cubes along with me. With the help of these cubes, let us learn the concept. Okay, here see, there are 9 cubes I have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 cubes. So 9, 1, again 1, again 1. Like that 9 ones are there. Isn't 9 cubes are there? Means 9 ones. It represents 1 cube. This one 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube, 1 cube, like that. So when it all together, it became 9. Right? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that up to 9. It will become 9 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So from this, what did you understand? 9 ones make 9. Okay, in 9, how many ones are there? In 9, how many ones are there? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 ones are in 9. So how many ones are in 8? 8 ones. How many ones are in 7? 7 ones. How many ones are in 6? 6 ones. Okay, see here, when we are representing that on the abacus, how we will represent, we will see. Let us call it as an abacus. We will represent ones on this line. Okay, we will represent ones on this one. So I want to write ones. See here, how many ones are there? 9 ones. We are talking about 9. So in 9, how many ones are there? 9 ones are there. So we have to place beads on the abacus. How many beads I have to put? I have to put 9 beads, right? If I put 9 beads, it will become 9. See, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads. So, O means ones. What does it represent? O? Ones. So, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, this number is 9. What is this answer? 9. So, in 9, how many ones are there? 9 ones are there. Okay. Now, see here. Okay, 9 ones. If I add one more cube into this, how much it will become? It will become 10. Okay, what is this? It is 10. So, 10. In 10, how many ones are there? 10 ones are there. In 9, 9 ones are there. Then in 10, how many ones are there? 10 ones are there. How should we represent this on the abacus? Let us see. Okay, we want to represent 10 ones on the abacus. So for representing 10 ones, we should not place 10 ones on this ones. Instead, what we should do, this is the wrong process of placing 10 beads on the same line is a wrong process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This method is wrong. Even though O means ones, isn't? So how many ones are there? 10 ones are there. 10 ones is equal to 10. That also we know. But there is another representation on the abacus. For representing 10, we accept this method. This is O means ones and T means tens. T means tens. What is the meaning of T? T tens. So, see here 10 ones are there. Instead of these 10 ones, I am going to show you one block which contains 10 blocks. So 10 units. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units means single pieces. 10 single pieces are packed up in this bag. So this bag is considered as 110. So when we are representing on the block, this is the wrong method. Instead, we will show it with the help of a single block. That means this is the way of representing 10. Means 110. This means 10. Is this correct? Placing 10 beads on the same line, is it right? No. We have to show a single bead on this line. This line is tens place. What is this? Tens. This is tens. T means tens. O means ones. O means ones. Okay, now I want to represent. So you understand this. This one as a block of 10. That means 10 single units makes 110. Okay, now I want to show you 11. How should I show you? Is it the method of showing? Is it easy for me? Okay, 10 pieces plus 1, 11. Is it easy for me or other ways? Showing like this is easy. A single pack plus 1. Okay, 10 plus 1. Actually, this is similar to this one. This one is similar to this one. But which is easy handling? This one is easy handling. So, we will count as tens. 10 plus 1. Understand? 10 plus 2. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 4 and so on. So, 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. So, we will see how we want to show it. We know that this is 110 means we got 10. Then when we want to show 11, this is tens place, this is ones place. So we want to show first 10. This block we want to show first 10. Then how many we need? Single unit 11. So 1. See here 10. This is 10. This is 1. So 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. That means 11. So what is the answer? 11. If you want to show 12, one more block. So you keep one more bead. So it will become 10 plus 2, 12. So if you want to show one more, 13, we will keep one more bead here. then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, that means 9 beads we will show on this one. If we want to show 19, we will show a single bead on the tens place and 9 beads on the ones place. Okay, this is called ones place and this is the tens place. Okay, now what this number is? 19. Okay, then how can I write 20? I want to show 20. Is this a method 20? Single block and this one 10. Is this a way we want to show? No. We have to take one more 10. Okay, so 20. This is 20, not this method. So how we will show in the abacus? How to show it in the abacus? In this way. This is 20. What is this number? 20. Understand? So 2 tens. So if you are placing 3 bits, 3 tens. If you are keeping one more, 4 tens, 40. One more means 5 tens, 50. One more, 6 tens, 60. One more 10, 7 tens, 70. One more 10, 8 tens, 80. One more 10, 9 tens, 90. And one more 10. It will become 100. Right? When it is coming to 100, what we will do? Okay, we will see. What we are going to do, we will see. Okay, before that, let us see how to write 21. Okay, this is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 20 plus 2, 22. 20 plus 3, 22. 20 plus 4, 25. In the same way, how to place on the abacus also. How many it is? 24. Next, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, if you want to show 30, can we place it like this? No, it should be replaced with a single block of 10. Okay, now 3 blocks of 10. 3 blocks of 10. 3 blocks of 10. 3 blocks of 10 makes 30. 4 blocks of 10 makes 40. So, 10. One block means 10. Another block means 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, in 10, 1 block of 10. Into 2 block of 10. 3 block of 10. Because like this only we are mentioning it on the abacus, no? Tens, ones. If 10, we will show it by 1 bead. If it is 20, we will show it by 2 beads. So, 2 tens make a 20. 2 tens equal to 20. 1 10 equal to 10. Right. If you want to show 30, how many beads we will put? Very good. 3 beads. How many beads? 3 beads. So, 3 tens. 3 beads means 3 tens. T means 10 only, no? So, 3 tens. 3 tens is equal to 30. Okay, if you want to represent 40, how many beads we have to place on this? 4 beads. Right. So, 4 beads means 4 tens. Equal to, tell me, 40. Then 50. How can we represent? We can represent it by 5 beads. So 5 beads means 5 tens. Okay, 5 tens equal to 50. Next, if you want to represent 60, how many beads we want to put for 60? Tell me. 60, how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6 beads. 6 beads in tens. 6 beads in tens. So 6 tens. represent 70? How will you do it? Can you tell me? 70 on the abacus. Write 70 on the abacus. What is this? This is called abacus. What is it? Abacus. So I want to show 70 on the abacus. How many beads I have to place? Okay, 7 beads. On which place? On 1's place or on 10's place? Super, on 10's place. Okay, 7 beads on 10's place. Okay, now it became 70. Means 70. How many 10's are there? 7 10's. 70. And if I put one more bead, it will become 8 10's. 80. If I put one more bead, 9 10's. Okay, 90. Okay, let us see how we will get a 90. You know that each bead contains 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. 10 blocks make 110. Again tell me, 10 blocks make 110. Means 10 units or 10 ones make 110. So now 3 10's. Sorry, 2 10's. 3 10's. 4 10's. 5 10's. 6 10's. 7 10's. 8 10's. 9 10's. So how much it became? 9 10's. 9 10's is equal to 90. Tell me, how much is 6 10's? Super, 60. How much is 5 10's? Okay, 50. How much is 4 10's? Super, 40. Now did you understand? Okay, I want to write 91. This is 90 and I show 91. How can I show? 90 plus 1, 91. How can I represent on this block, on this abacus? 90. 9 10's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads and 1. This is 91. How much it became now? 91. Okay, if I want to represent 92, how can I write this? 2 blocks. 90 plus 2 blocks. So I will show it with the help of another bead. 1, 2 beads. So 9 10's. What is it? 9 10's means 90 is in. What is this number? 9 10's, isn't it? So 9 10's plus how many ones? 2 ones. 2 ones. That one is 92. How we got 92? This is 90. Means this all are 10's. Each one 10's only, no? 10's, 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 10's. All are 10's. So how many 10's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10's are there. 9 10's 90 plus 2 units means 2 ones. So 2 ones. 90 plus or 9 10's plus 2 ones. That is equal to 92. 9 10's plus 2 ones equal to 92. Actually this is the expanded form. What form? Expanded form. We can write like this also. 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. Understand? Okay. Now if you want to show 93, this one 93. 90 plus 3. 90 plus 4. 94. 90 plus 5. 95. 90 plus 6. 96. 90 plus 7. 97. 90 plus 8, 98. 90 plus 9, 99. Then if I add one more, which is a number after 99? 99 after number. What comes after 99? Super. 100. 99 after number 100. Then how we will show it? When it is coming to 10, we are showing it with another block. No. So it became 100. Okay, this is 100. When it is 100, we have to represent it by a single block. Okay, these 10 tens, how many tens? 10 tens. I am going to replace with a single block of 100. So this is 100. Then how we will show in the abacus? It is single block only, no? So 100, how can we show? Can we show in this way? Can we show like this? If you are showing like this, it means that separate 10 blocks. I am not taken it as separate 10 blocks. I have taken this all in a separate bag, single bag. 10 blocks together in a single bag. So it is only one piece. It is considered as a single one. So I cannot show this as like this. I cannot show 100. I should not show like this. Then how should I show 100? I should show 100 with another place. This is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So I have to show 100 in this way because this is 100. Only single bead in the hundreds place. Because when it is coming to 100, we are keeping it as a single block.